I've learned my greatest accomplishment isn't academic achievement, but embracing my true self. I'm proud to accept my physical appearance and weaknesses, finding peace without comparing myself to others. This journey of self-acceptance has given me confidence and the strength to make a positive impact.